In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect AirPods to your PC or laptop in Windows 10 or 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing we need to do is enable Bluetooth on your PC. So go to search and type in settings, click in the settings, and now on the left hand side we've got these different tabs. Click on the Bluetooth and devices tab. And now on the right hand side, it will say Bluetooth. So make sure that is toggled on. Now from here, you want to put your AirPods in pairing mode. So place both AirPods in their case and open the lid. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the AirPods case until the status light flashes white. This indicates that your AirPods are in pairing mode. Now back to here. So you want to pair your AirPods with your PC. So in Bluetooth and other devices, click on add device here. In the next window, you want to choose Bluetooth. And now what this is going to do, this is scanning Bluetooth devices available, and your AirPods should appear here. And then when you see AirPods in the list, click on it, wait for the pairing process to complete. Once connected, you should see a confirmation message. Then once you've done that, we want to set AirPods as the default audio device. And now from here, we want to right click on the sound icon in the taskbar, and then we need to get into sound settings. And now under output, select AirPods as your preferred audio output device. You can also adjust the volume settings in here. And then you want to go ahead and test the connection. So you play some music or some audio to check if the sound is coming through your AirPods. If there are any issues with your sound or connectivity, try disconnecting and reconnecting the AirPods, or even restarting your PC. And now if you've got any troubleshooting issues, what we can do is make sure our Bluetooth drivers are up to date. So to do this, click on the search bar, type in Device Manager, head into Device Manager, expand the Bluetooth section here, and then right click your Bluetooth adapter and select Update Driver. Then reconnect. So if your connection is lost, you can disconnect and reconnect from your Bluetooth settings.